So we all know everyone loves an unboxing video. This is new to us. This is a new brand of exhaust. We do two manufactured exhausts. We do a lot of Remus, but they kind of go up to about sports car level, so 911 Audi R8, C63, that sort of stuff. Where FI will also sort of a bit of a crossover, so they'll do some M3s, M2s and that sort of stuff, and then they go higher up, eventually to a 488. We were lucky enough to do the Lamborghini build with Liberty Walk UK. The car was built, we did the installation of the exhaust and obviously fitted it all up and did stage 2 software. This is a system for a Huracan. As you can see, it's a work of art. It's a stunning bit of kit, comes with complete new valves, picks up on all the original fixing points and hangers, and as you can see it comes with a Bluetooth controlled valve system for the exhaust. Brilliant system, get the best of both. By far probably the loudest system on the market when the valves are open. What works really well is when they're closed, it becomes quite tame, so you get two systems in one. Let us know what you think. Please like and subscribe and comment, all that YouTube jazz below.